If your cardio leaves you more exhausted instead of energized, your metabolism isn't slow, your engine is clogged. Most men over 40 think the solution is simple: run harder, push longer, sweat more. But as a doctor, I see what that actually does to your body: higher cortisol, lower testosterone, and a heart that's working harder than it should. The problem isn't effort. The problem is that your body has lost its ability to clear metabolic waste. I'm Dr. Ngundi, a medical doctor and a fitness enthusiast. Today, I'm going to show you the exact Zone 2 protocol that fixes that and rebuild your heart from inside out. Think of your body like an engine. When you move, you produce energy, but you also produce waste, mainly something called lactate. Now, here is the issue. If your body can clear that waste efficiently, it starts to build up, like exhaust trapped inside an engine. When that happens, your muscle fatigue faster, your endurance drops, your heart has to work twice as hard. And after 40, this system naturally becomes less efficient. This isn't about fitness, this is about how well your body produces and manage energy at a cellular level. Now, let's talk about lactate. Most people think lactate is bad, while it's not. In fact, lactate is a fuel source. The real problem is your ability to use it. And this is what we call lactate shuttle. It's your body's ability to take that waste and recycle it into usable energy. And here is the key. Zone 2 cardio is one of the most effective ways to train this system. When you stay in Zone 2, you are teaching your body to clear, recycle, and reuse energy efficiently. But when you go hard, you overload the system, and instead of improving efficiency, you create more stress. This is not a theory, it's a cellular physiology, and it's the reason most men over 40 feel drained after cardio instead of energized. The logical question we can ask is, why do men over 40 get this wrong? Here is what I see all the time: men over 40 doing cardio like they are still 25, too fast, too intense, too stressful. A 45-year-old man running at 75% max heart rate produces around 2 to 3 times more cortisol than the same man walking at 65%, and his lactate clearance rate drops by almost 45%. And the result, you feel drained instead of energized. Recovery gets worse. Hormones start to suffer. When you constantly push into high intensity zones, you increase your stress load, and over time, that can interfere with recovery and even testosterone levels. This is why more effort is not always the answer. Better control is. Here is how we fix it. Step 1: the nasal breathing. If you have to breathe through your mouth, you are going too hard. Nasal breathing keeps you in the correct zone. It ensures your body is training efficiency, not stress. So here is how you can actually control your breathing while exercising. You can do it if you're watching this video while exercising. So you should always remember to keep your mouth closed. The only thing we want is to breathe through our nose. Step 2, control your intensity. You want to stay around 60 to 70% of your max heart rate. This is where your body becomes more efficient at using oxygen and clearing metabolic waste. Step 3, the 45-minute threshold. Most people stop too early, but real metabolic adaptation takes time. Below 45 minutes, your mitochondria don't get enough time to shift from glycolytic to oxidative energy production. You are starting the engine but never letting it warm up. Step 4, separate it from heavy lifting. If possible, don't start this right after intense weight training because your body is already under stress. You'd rather give this session its own space or do it before lifting to stay fresh. Step 5, go low impact. If your knees hurt, good. That's feedback. Don't run, use incline walking, cycling, or rocking. You are training your heart, not destroying your joints. And here is what is critical. When you do this right, You should feel like you can hold the conversation. Your breathing stays controlled. You should feel like you could keep going for another hour, not like you survive a session. You finish feeling better than when you started. Your heart rate should sit between 108 and 126 beats per minute if you are 45. That is your zone 2 window. And that is how you know you are building, not breaking your system. To round this up, let's say this isn't your cardio, this is how you will restore your energy system, protect your heart, and train intelligently after 40. If you are done guessing and ready to train with precision, drop Mito in the comment. It tells me you're committed to your cellular health. And tell me, are you currently doing zone 2 cardio? And if so, are you breathing through your nose or your mouth? That answer will tell me exactly where you stand. Because after 40, it's not about doing more, it's about doing it right. If you've made this far, it tells me you truly want to age on your own terms. And for that, if you want to know the exercise mistake that makes men over 40 age faster, consider watching this video. You'll be surprised with what you will learn. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.